Hi all, Lee Veris here with Phototech Tuesday. Each week I'll be posting a new video about photography, technology, art, and more. Today I have a quick one for you. There's a brand new feature in Camera Raw, not yet in Lightroom, but I imagine we'll see this added to Lightroom soon. Anyway, this feature is part of Point Color in the Color Mixer panel, and it offers a very elegant solution to a skin tone problem we encounter frequently in portraits. Let's take a look. Okay, so here I have a photo that I'm using the Camera Raw filter to edit this. Okay, and one of the reasons is that we're going to use the color mixer and we're going to use point color. So, you know, if you see this like this, you want to open up the little reveal triangle to reveal all the controls that are available. And we have a new slider down here, this variant slider. Now this is pretty interesting. It's called early access, which means it's sort of beta, but we can use it right now. And here's the problem that we're trying to solve, right? We have this portrait of Dr. Doug here. He's an acupuncturist and he's very healthy, but he has this rosacea condition where his skin has these red blotchy areas on it. And there's a good skin color on most of the rest of the face, but around the nose and the lips and the chin, all this have gotten really, really red and blotchy, and we'd like to get rid of that. And I normally would come into Point Color and use the eyedropper and sample the reddest thing, and then you play around with the hue, saturation, and luminance to control that targeted color. Now we have an even easier way of dealing with this issue, and that's going to use the eyedropper to sample the good color. So I pick a good color patch, it shows up here. And now with this variant slider, I can cause all the colors that are adjacent to this good color to either move away from it or move towards it. So if we go for less variance, it's going to drive all the closely related colors closer to that target color. We can go practically all the way, and it starts to get a little odd looking. So we need some variance in the color, but not what we had before. And we can drag that super red color closer to the good color skin, and we're kind of done here. The only thing that you want to be aware of is if you apply this without using a mask, you're going to shift the color of the red lips. So what we would do here in this case is not use this until we have made a mask. So let's back up on this. We'll just zero everything out. And I'm going to go to the mask panel. And we're going to mask for the, we'll do people, right? So we're going to go down here to the people. And it's finding the people in this photo. As soon as it finds them, we click on it, and now I can just select the facial skin and the body skin. And you can kind of see that it's selected everything but the lips and the eyebrows, the eyes, all the areas that I don't want to adjust anyway. So we're going to go ahead and create that mask. And now that we're in that mask, we can come down here to Point Color. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to get the eyedropper. And I'm going to select this good color of skin right here next on the side of his face. That becomes the selected color. And now we can use the variance slider to drag everything closer to that color by moving the variance slider to the left. And you can see now that we've had that mask isolating the lips, it's not adjusting the lip color. So you can use this with pictures of women. Okay, that's it for today. That's a really quick one, and just a little before and after there. Before, and let's go back to our Camera Raw filter. Before, one little slider, and we've taken care of that problem. Well, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. And hopefully this will inspire you to do your own experiments with the variant slider in Camera Raw. We're certain to see this feature in Lightroom soon. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss another Phototech Tuesday, and I'll see you next time. You might consider joining us for a travel adventure. Check out our trips and in-person workshops at our website, bobbyandleesphotoadventures.com. Our last photo adventure for this year will be an amazing once-in-a-lifetime India for beginners, a first-class luxury tour, including the Taj Mahal, a tiger safari, and the Pushkar Camel Festival. And that's October 17th through 29th. Next year, we will again go to Venice for Carnival. Sign up is now live. Check out the website for more info. And you can sign up for my email by just taking a picture of this QR code. All right, thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you on our next adventure.